Hello, it's Richard again from Williams Crawford. Little update on the Group 4 cars. So after our last event, Castle Combe Stage Rally, that was back at the end of October, I believe, I did manage to damage the car a little bit. We pulled the front bumper off it. There were a couple of quite good jumps out the back of the circuit on the feeder road, and it ended up taking the front bumper off, skidded the underside of the pan. Hugely tight hairpins and chicanes they put in, and it ended up breaking one of the rear drive shafts. So redone the car. Front and rear bumpers have been, well, front lower bumpers been replaced, rear bumpers been repaired. There was something else and I can't think of it at the moment, but all four things have been done, repaired and ready to go. So we are entering our last event of the year. That's on the 7th of December. That's it, Goodwood. So it's Southdown Stage Rally. So anybody up that way, I know it's free admission. It's on the circuit itself and the feeder roads around Goodwood. So myself and Adrian, Rob Cavanagh and John Fordy. So 4 cars coming along. Should be a great day. I believe there's about 60 entrants and definitely the last one for us before the end of the year. So good luck. Let's hope we do a good job.